morning. How are you, my little babies? I'm your Hital ma'am, and today I'm going to teach you something new. Come on, let's learn a new concept in shape. And in shape, we are going to learn today a circle. So children, what is this? This is a circle. Can you see? It is round in shape. It has no sides and no corners. Which shape is this? Circle. It is round in shape. Now, let's see the objects related to the shape circle. So, now let's see the objects. Shape, circle, shape, circle. Smiley. Smiley. It is round in shape. Smiley. It is round in shape. It has no corners and no sides. CD. It is round in shape. CD. It is round in shape. It has no corners and no sides. Bangles. Bangles. It is round in shape. Bangles. It is round in shape. Coins. Coins. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. Buttons. Buttons. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. Dish. It is round in shape. It is round in shape. Which shape is this? Circle. It has no corners and no sides. Now children, let's do an interesting activity. So, shall we start the activity now? Let's make a Play-Doh at home with the following ingredients. Maida or wheat flour, watercolors and water. We can mix all these things and make a dough like this. You can also make it at home with the help of your mama. We start an activity. Now we are going to take a small portion of green color and we are going to roll it. After rolling, we will press it hard in between our palms and we will make a shape circle, which is round in shape. Circle. Now after making this, we will put it on the paper down. Now we will take another small portion and roll it and then press it. Can you see? Ma'am is pressing it between both the palms and making it a round shape. In this way, we can make 6 circles like this. And we will place it over here. Wow! We have made grape, which is green in color. And it is a fruit. Now we will take another color of green and proportion of it and we will roll it. And we will put it on top to make it its stem. See children, what did we make? We made grapes. To make another activity, sun. For that, we need yellow color clay. This is the clay which is yellow in color. Now, we are going to roll this. After rolling, we will press it hard between the palms and make a circle. Can you see children? We have made a circle. Now, this circle, we are going to paste it on the paper. See, can you see? This is yellow color clay. Now after pasting this, we are going to take another small portion of yellow color clay and we are going to roll it between the palms again and make a long strip like clay. And we are going to make it a race. Can you see how ma'am is rolling it? Now we will make another race. We are going to make another race. Roll it between the palms. We are going to put it like this. In this way, we make the sun. See children, the sun is yellow in color. It shines in the sky in the daytime. Again, we are going to take small proportion and roll it. Where do we see the sun? In the sky. Wow! My little ones are enjoying the activity. Oh children, did you enjoy the activity? Children, hope you enjoyed the activity. And now, let's see the video of the shape circle from the YouTube site Periwinkle and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.
Circle. Here is a song about a circle.
This shape has no sides, no sides, no sides. This shape has no sides, it has no corners too. This shape is called a circle, circle, circle. This shape is called a circle, I just want to tell you. This shape has no sides, no sides, no sides. This shape has no sides, it has no corners too. This shape is called a circle, circle, circle. This shape is called a circle, I just want to tell you.